enjoying the walk.
Right away, I just love this concept about the Walk of Hope, and as we know, the leading person of this whole concept is GM, who started his journey from Kanyakumari to Kashmir of 7,500 kilometers, and the basic purpose of this is to, as per what I am able to know about this thing, is it's very good thing that he belongs to a Muslim community, and the message he's spreading is taking into consideration all the religions into one roof, and
Of course, everybody should appreciate that. It's a great effort by that man. It's really a great effort. And nobody in today's world even has time to talk or give a call to your friend. And then that man is doing it for no reason. It's just that somebody said and he's on FM now. He was doing it without looking for any appreciation. Yeah. Somebody at least was trying to bring us in without even the others knowing about it.
पद यात्रा इतनी दूर से चलना और लोगों को समझाना, हर जगह प्रेस करनी, तो ये अच्छी बात है। ये चीज़ें बहुत कम देखने को मिलती है ना आजकल। कोई पैदल नहीं चलना चाहता नॉर्मली, कोई भी घर से इधर उधर निकलता है, गाड़ी निकालते हैं, बाइक निकालते हैं। ये जो पैदल यात्रा है ना, जो फिरत बोलते हैं, तो ये अच्छी बात है।
अब हम अपने इतिहास में जाइए तो गांधी जी के भी जो मार्च होते थे वो पैदल मार्च होते थे, तो मैं इसे अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ। सबसे बड़ी बात है कि यूथ इसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है।
They are conducting a Padyatra from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, and I hope to be a part of it in the North Campus, which is.
I heard about this Padyatra from Kanyakumari to Jammu, and I heard the walk is coming to North Delhi, and I would love to be a part of it.
The Padyatra that's going on, and it's currently in the Delhi phase, and I hope to be part of it.
The Padyatra of 7,500 kilometers from Kanyakumari to Jammu and Kashmir, and the walk of hope is taking place in North Campus, and I hope to be there.
Volunteer today, and he told me about the Indian Ocean concert that is happening this Saturday at 5:30 PM in Nehru Park. I personally appreciate and believe what the mission Shri M is trying to pursue, and I'll be there at the concert.
About the Indian Ocean concert that's happening tomorrow at 5:30 Nehru Park, and I'll be tomorrow there for this event, and I'll be supporting you guys, and I'll get my friends along.
Named Walk of Hope. It's a Padyatra, a 7,500 kilometer Padyatra from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, and it's being led by Shri M. So the band is playing on 27th of this month at Nehru.
27th February को है Nehru Park 5:30 चला riding to be free passes to the concert, and एक pass का unlimited number of people allowed. You can give it to any protest and violence हुआ है, so we are pretty much against that, and we are doing this for concert led by Shri M. Facebook पे सारी details है, यहाँ page है, you can link unlimited number of people allowed.
27th of this month. So it's all about spreading unity in diversity and considering all that's happening, the human ongoing crisis. So this is guys, this walk is happening 27th. You're surely invited. It's being like a band is playing.
cause injury to any female. Come and join here.
I pledge to support women empowerment.
I pledge equality for all.
I pledge equality for all.